Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, the Topper Chef channel. Today we're gonna make, I bought this chuck roast, right? So we're gonna thin slice it and we're gonna make this beef tacos. They're gonna turn amazing. Okay, so now we cut that chuck which was there. So now it just got the salt and pepper. And like I said, I don't want to overpower the flavor of the beef at all because the salsas which we made are gonna go very well with this taco. So all you do is just put nicely, rub it in. Salt, very important when you're grilling this thing. It has to sit inside, but also it cannot be very salty, right? So require it, and that becomes like the big tenderizer for this. Okay, so now we put it well, pat it inside, okay, and then flip it and do it the other side the same way. Here you go. Now flip everything back. And do it the same way. And let it sit for half an hour at least till we actually put it on the grill. In this case, we are going to cook it in a pan and make fresh tacos of this. Okay, so there we go. This is what it is. Okay, so now our meat for the fajitas which I'm going to make, the tacos which I'm going to make, is going to be grilled. Now this is my grill. I use this without fail because whenever I'm grilling, I mean in the house, so this is what I use. So this is nice and hot now, and we can just put this here. We get this good grill mark. There you go. Put it all together. Okay, so now it's about 3 minutes on this. Look at this. Oh man. Okay. Just flip this over. Nice. Got this nice grill mark. And 3 minutes on the other side. And that's what it is ready. Okay, so now this is our grilling nice. And I know it's nice and tender because I can feel it. It already got hard. So it's cooked. So now it's 3 minutes. We cooked it on both sides. And this is ready. Okay, so now you can see nice and black, nice and brown. And what we're gonna do is just let it sit for a couple of minutes here on this, and then I'm gonna cut it and put it nicely to make some nice tacos. So just turn this off now and let it sit. Okay, so the meat has sat down for some time, and so the technique of cutting this meat to make this tacos is very simple. You can see the meat grain going this way, and you gotta, if you cut it this way, it's gonna be, the meat is gonna be very tough. So you have to cut it opposite. So when you're cutting it, you can either cut it like this, look, and keep it long, or you can cut it like this long, thin. But this is the way better to cut it long like this, because you know why? That looks plateful. So here you are, keep on cutting this against the grain, and long like this. Okay, that's the way to cut for fajitas. Okay, so now this is the assembly line for our tacos which we're going to make. Now you can see this fantastic looking chapati or taco. This is our chili taco chapati, which is on our channel. So first for this, you gotta put some bean paste first. That's just the basic thing. Okay, put enough bean paste. So just spread it nice. And then put your meat, however how much you want. You don't want to. Now I especially put this flavors in is because I don't like overpowering my flavors, right? So this is the avocado salsa. This is also on our channel, so you can love this salsa which goes into this. Some tomatoes. I haven't made pico de gallo as such, just some tomatoes and some nice cilantro. There you go. And this is it. Voila, this is our taco. This looks good. Then you fold it nicely and you eat it. Okay guys, so now we're gonna taste our tacos and the meat, especially the meat which we showed on the video, and the salsa also. So let's see. Oh my God, it's so good. The salsa especially, it's not overpowering anything. You can enjoy this tacos. If you like this video, give us a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, which is the Topper Chef channel. Happy cooking!